Another inexpensive speaker, $70 at least in my country. $70. US dollars. HAMA speaker. Link in the description. Check it out. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. On the back we have an optical in. There is optical, AUX in and out, USB and power. You can mount it on the rack, and there's a huge bass reflex, or maybe it's just a handle. Power, source, mic, play and pause, plus and minus. Oh, minus and plus. Hit it! On the remote, you have bass. It doesn't do much. Plus and minus. An equalizer. Second one. Volume. Power without the distortions. I love it. Equalizer. All right, calm down. Now, this is just a first impression video, an unboxing video. Full review coming soon. Very long cable, very long cable. Sound-wise, there's no distortions in the maximum level. Zero distortions, I love it. But it's very bassy. It has those bass plus and minus buttons on the remote and equalizer 1 and 2. That doesn't do much. I think we need to tweak that sound a little bit in the smartphone. But for $70, this is a deal breaker. It has very directional sound, not like Sonos, which is like 360 all around you, but Sonos is 6 times more expensive. This is a bargain. $70. Jeez. Okay, 80. It all depends when you live. 70 to $80. Whew. I love it. I don't think you can get anything better at this price range, which looks like a not like a party speaker with a lot of those party speakers doesn't look so great in the prestige living room. And your wife doesn't like to have a huge box with a lot of lights. It's not looking great. This is looking smooth. It has gold finishes, black and gold. Not too many lights, just a couple of them at the bottom. You will love it. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.